Hi, Phil Susan here, coming at you live on a very cold December morning. Here we are in my kitchen. I had posted a picture of one of my recipes for a chicken soup on Instagram, and everybody said, hey, where's the recipe? We want the recipe. So what I did is I decided to post the recipe here on my YouTube channel. And if you scroll down into the information, you will find the recipe. So go ahead, make it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it keeps you warm, because it's freezing right now. Okay, freezing in California. It doesn't sound right, but it is cold. Anyway, I hope this warms you up. Talk to you soon. Lots of love. Check it out.